How to change screens on the Vermeer TR6400 and TR6450 trommel screens. Start the machine and set the engine RPM to idle. Slide the hopper out of the drum. Unlatch the drum door. If the optional front fines conveyor is installed on the left side, check that it is low enough to avoid any clearance issues when the door is opened. Open the drum door fully using the key on the control panel. Rotate the drum using the jog controls until the screen clamps are accessible. Follow the shutdown procedures to properly shut down the machine. Remove and retain the engine key, then press the engine disable switch. Enter the drum and loosen the bolts for the screen panel being removed. Exit the drum and pull the engine disable switch. Start the engine using the starting procedure. Two workers pull the screen panel hook off the lift bar and pull the screen away from the drum. A third worker pushes the appropriate drum jog button to rotate the drum as the other two workers guide the panel off the drum. Set the screen on the ground out of the way. Two workers position the new screen panel into place and hook it onto the clamps on the lift bar. Use the appropriate drum jog button to pull the screen panel onto the drum, while the other two workers guide it until the screen panel hook can be hooked onto the drum. Follow the shutdown procedures to properly shut down the machine. Remove and retain the engine key, then press the engine disable switch. Enter the drum. While outside workers hold the screen panel against the drum, tighten the clamp bolts inside the drum. Exit the drum and pull the engine disable switch. Repeat these steps on other screens to be replaced.